Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful Moana necklace. Let's begin by gathering all the necessary materials. You'll need a smooth blue-green stone, ideally about 2 inches long, to serve as the heart of your necklace. Also, grab some sturdy brown cord, approximately 3 feet in length, along with a handful of small white beads. Don't forget your craft glue, a pair of sharp scissors, and a small drill or awl to prepare your stone. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's prepare the central stone. This step requires a bit of precision. Carefully use a small drill or awl to create a hole through the top center of your stone. Make sure the hole is wide enough for your cord to thread through without difficulty. After drilling, gently smooth any rough edges around the hole with fine grit sandpaper. Finally, give your stone a good wipe to ensure it's clean and ready for the next step. This preparation ensures a professional and comfortable finish. With your stone prepared, it's time to start assembling the necklace. Take your 3-foot brown cord and carefully thread it through the hole you just created in the blue-green stone. Once threaded, center the stone so that you have equal lengths of cord on both sides. Now, tie a secure knot directly above the stone to keep it from sliding. Next, you can begin adding your small white beads to the cord on each side of the stone, spacing them out as desired. This adds a lovely decorative touch. We're almost done. To secure your white beads, you can tie small knots on either side of each bead or use a tiny dab of craft glue. Now, measure the necklace around your neck to find your perfect length. Once you've determined the ideal fit, tie the ends of the cord together using a strong, adjustable knot. This allows for flexibility in how you wear it. Finally, trim any excess cord, leaving about 1 inch beyond the knot for added security. Your beautiful Moana necklace is now complete and ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.